Hey everyone, so today I'm filming a get ready with me video, a skincare edition. So I'm going to be walking you through my morning skincare routine, how to get your skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and feeling its absolute best, and then it will make your makeup application so much simpler. So without further ado, I will get started. So first step is cleansing. So I'm just gonna pin my hair out of my face here. I've got my bowl of lukewarm water that I'm gonna be using to just get my skin a little bit moist so it can really lather that cleanser, and I'm gonna go in with the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I love using this when I don't have enough time to mask or use an exfoliator in addition to a cleanser. This is a great one-step cleanser and exfoliator that removes dirt and impurities, removes excess oil, removes dead skin cells with the sugar crystals that melt away as they polish the skin. The strawberry is also a great ingredient for giving a healthy glow and smells divine. And it also has grapeseed oil to maintain hydration. So as I'm exfoliating and massaging it into the skin, I'm not actually stripping the skin of any moisture or drying it out. So it feels really soothing. You will feel those crystals and they will start melting away. And after you feel like you've massaged into the skin for about 30 seconds or so, you can then rinse it off. So here I'm just using that lukewarm water to rinse it off the skin. You might have to saturate your skin in quite a bit of water just to ensure that all those crystals are coming off your skin and your skin is nice and clean and ready to go. Next step is toner. So I'm using the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I'm sadly out of my full size of this, but I did luckily stock up on my Sephora Point Perk, so I have a few of these small ones to get me through this very difficult time. So this is a great, gentle, chemical exfoliating toner and treatment to get the skin looking bright and smooth. It uses lactic acid and willow bark extract to help remove dead skin cells and minimize pores. I use this in addition to the Fresh Exfoliating Cleanser because I love a glowy, smooth complexion and my skin's been quite congested lately. My skin can tolerate both exfoliators as I've been using AHAs daily for at least 5 years. You may just want to use one or the other, either the physical exfoliant or the chemical exfoliant if you have more sensitive skin or you're a little bit new to exfoliators. So now I just want to show you how much dirt and impurities actually just came off of my skin. Even though I've already cleansed and exfoliated, this toner just pulled out so much more, and this is why a toner can be so important in the routine to really clean that skin. Now the next step is going in with an essence. Today I'm using Dermalogica's Redness Relief Essence. So my first step is just shake it up really well to make sure all those active ingredients are mixed together really nicely. Then I'm going to pour it into the palm of my hand. So it has a control top. So you go one pour, second pour, and then you can start mixing it into your hands, getting it warm. And then I'm going to start pressing it into my skin, ensuring I also press it into the neck and décolleté because skincare doesn't stop at the jawline. I also ensure to press it in to make sure all those concentrated active ingredients are pushed to the furthest layers of my skin. So this formula has aloe vera to soothe, calm, and hydrate the skin, and it also has colloidal oatmeal to calm redness and form a physical barrier on the skin to provide moisture and hydration. This will also help to reduce the skin sensitivity due to changes in the climate and any dietary related stress. So for example, walking out and it's really cold and your skin gets red, or eating spicy food and your skin gets really red. Then I'm just going to make sure it's nice and absorbed into the skin and dry so we can go into our next step. So that next step is serum. So today I'm using the Drunk Elephant B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This is a really nice gel texture, so it's nice and lightweight, but it's going to provide so much hydration into the skin. If you're at all dehydrated, and even if you're oily but dehydrated, this will give you exactly what you need without clogging your pores. So it has pineapple ceramides to help boost luminosity, texture, and tone, and also strengthen that skin barrier. It also uses provitamin B5 that holds hydration for a long period of time and brings it really deep into the skin and improves the skin's barrier function as well. It uses sodium hyaluronate, which penetrates deep into the skin to deliver intense hydration, promoting firm skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. So next, I'm going to ensure that that serum is penetrated really deep into the skin by using my Sephora Collection Rose Quartz Facial Roller. So as you saw, I did press it into my skin as I did with the essence to get it deep into the skin, but this is also going to ensure that my serum is pushed deep into my skin, and also using this roller is very therapeutic. It's very calming, it's soothing, especially if you store your roller in the refrigerator and that crystal is nice and cold. It's very, very calming on the skin. It reduces any inflammation and any puffiness. So I like to use the small end around my eyes, especially in the morning, because I do have really bad allergies and my eyes tend to be puffy. And this is so soothing. I'll just lightly roll it under the eye and even just very gently on the eyelid just to have a nice soothing feeling. And this is also going to help with any lymphatic drainage. now that the skin is nice and relaxed, it's time for moisturizer. So today I'm using the Tarte Baba Balm Moisturizer. So you're going to need about a nickel-sized amount. This is a fresh jar, so you might have to pump it a couple times when you first get one. But once you have that nickel-sized amount, you can go in and start massaging it into the skin. So this formula, it's a beautiful lightweight whip texture, and it promotes firmer looking skin, smoothness, and hydration. It uses babassu, which is a vegetable oil derived from the babassu palm in the Amazon. It's going to nourish, soothe, and moisturize the skin. It's also non-comedogenic, so if you are oily and you like this moisturizer and need some hydration, it's definitely safe to use, but it's great for all skin types overall that need some hydration. It also uses avocado, which is packed with vitamins to nourish and soothe the skin. And it also uses green tea extract, which is great as an antioxidant to fight that free radical damage, but it also boosts hydration and fights any signs of sun damage. Next is eye cream. I'm using Clinique's All About Eyes, the original formula, which is kind of a nice gel-like cream that helps with brightening and puffiness. And it's especially useful when kept refrigerated for that nice cooling sensation. That'll tackle your puffiness immediately. And it's actually great at keeping eye makeup in place as well, so it'll work really well with your makeup throughout the day. You can use it on the eyelids as well, so that's really unique to a lot of eye creams where you can actually place it all around the eye 360. So it uses mulberry root extract to help even the tone and calm irritation. It uses caffeine to help with puffiness and also uses green tea extract for antioxidant protection. So I'm going to take a little bit on my ring fingers and start patting it into the skin, and then I'm going to start massaging it. This is a great time to really treat yourself and like massage those temples and also attack those little 11s, if you know what I'm talking about, between the eyebrows. We really want to fight those, so I like to massage it in there really nicely. Alright, so the next step in my routine is a lip mask. So I feel like the lips are often neglected when it comes to skincare, but we definitely have to treat the skin on our lips just as well as we treat the skin on our face. So I'm going in with the Tatcha Kissu lip mask. It's a great jelly texture. It comes with this cute little spatula, so you don't actually have to stick your finger into the pot there, and you need very little with this. And it's a great non-sticky formula as well. It's made with Japanese peach extract to help repair damage to the lips and revitalize and calm any irritation. It has squalene derived from olives for moisture, and it uses Japanese camellia oil to seal in moisture and nurtures with vitamins A, B, D, and E, and omegas 3, 6, and 9. Last but not least, we are going to go in with sunscreen. So I'm using Shiseido's Ultra Sun Protection Spray in an SPF 50. It is water resistant and it's great for the face and body. So I'm just going to spray that all over my skin. It's great because you don't have any residue, you don't feel greasy, there's no white cast, and it won't disturb your makeup because I also recommend using this after you're done your makeup throughout the day to keep your skin protected. And that's it. That is my routine. So thank you for watching. Bye.